lab is going to test for the presence of macromolecules, or as we call it, organic compounds. We're going to be testing for the presence of starch, simple sugars, lipids, and proteins. You need iodine solution, Benedict solution, Biuret reagent, water with a pipette, a test tube clamp, test tube rack, 3 test tubes, a piece of brown paper bag or a dark napkin, and a water bath boiling. First, we're going to test for the presence of starch. And take your iodine solution. Be sure you're wearing your gloves, your apron, and your goggles. Take the cap off carefully and place 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. The iodine will stain your hands and your clothes, so be careful. Give it a little shake, and you're looking for a black or blue-black color change for your food item. If you see that, it means starch is present. Record it on your data sheet. Next, we're going to take food item, and we're going to test it for simple sugars. We're going to add 20 drops of the Benedict solution. We're going to take a look at the color. Right now, it's a light blue or bluish green color. We're going to carefully place it into the hot water bath. And we can use our test tube clamp to do that so we don't burn ourselves. You don't want to drop it too hard or too high because you can break the glass. Next, we're going to test for lipids. We're going to get our food item. We're going to place it onto the brown paper bag or the dark napkin while that is in the water bath for 3 minutes, testing for simple sugars. We're going to give it a little pat. And then we're going to wait, and we're going to let the napkin dry for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to come back and see if these marks are still left. That means those are oils, which are lipids, present in the food product. Finally, we're going to test a food product for protein. We're going to take the Biuret reagent, which is dangerous, so be careful with it, please. You don't want to get it on your skin or on your clothes. You're going to add 10 drops of the Biuret solution. Okay. Put the cap back on, give it a little shake, and we're looking for a color change to lavender or violet. If you see lavender or violet, that means the food item that you have in the tube has protein in it. Finally, we're going to go head back to our hot water bath, and we're looking for a color change. Remember, it was that blue or blue-green color. If it changes to orange, yellow, or red, or any shade in between those, it means simple sugars, a monosaccharide or disaccharide is present. And as you can see, this food product, the color of the solution has changed to an orange, which indicates that a simple sugar is present. You're going to mark all of these results down on your data table, and then you are going to answer the analysis questions that have to do with the lab.